We're going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol RNVA. Last time we went through this one, looks like it was going to be on, I believe, the 27th, right? Yeah. RNVA, we went through this one on the 27th. I see my little note down there. I said on my paper, 0.11. If it can make it through there, then it'll rock and roll. So that was over here. All right, so let's talk about why I said that, what happened since then, and basically go from there, because today's a new day, and we are trading at 0.8 right now, 0.08. The stocks that I'm going through right now are currently traded on the NASDAQ, like I said, from 0.1 to $5, and I'm going from the most volume down, so you guys can figure out that one. Highest volume at the top. So let's go ahead and start this line. All right, so there we go with this line. We have 1, 2, 3. I thought third time was going to be a charm, right? Third bottom, triple bottom, and boom, we're going to go through. I really thought that we would see that, and unfortunately we didn't. So hey, I told you guys, watch for this point. Watch for that 1-1 mark. I said that for a reason, because if it got up there, then I know that I can confirm it, because we can't watch this thing do the entire day of intraday trading to watch every single move. So we come back down here again. We come back down to this line, and you bounce off of it again. You come down. Well, will this be the final time? I guess we're gonna find out, because they got damn close to it over here at the 10 mark. You've seen it up here. Let me draw a little bit of a better line, and then you see it over here again, right? Couldn't make it through again, guys. So you came through here, you got above that 10-day simple moving average, and you fell back through again today. It sucks. I mean, really, you don't see this often, but when you do, it's just, I don't like it. I really don't. But you're going to still watch this one, because there has been a lot of sideways trading here, especially for the last 3 weeks. 3 weeks of sideways trading, just bleeding out. So watch for this thing to reverse back out. Might be getting a pop here or so at 0.8 cents. Watch for it to bounce off of here. Again, we're going to have to wait for the 10-cent mark. Hold. Put watch until, add that into my notes here. It's 0.8 watch or a 0.10 break. All right. Yeah, I think that's pretty simple, pretty easy to remember. And like I said, really got to watch for that up here. All right. So that is all I have to add for that, guys. Joe, do you got anything to add for RNVA?
Well, their last press release was on 1/5/2017. It was Rennova Health provides outlook for 2017. So let's see. They a vertically integrated Rennova Health. They're a vertically integrated health provider or integrated provider or industry leading diagnostics and supportive software solutions to healthcare providers. So they provided the following summary of its recent progress, as well as commentary on its business strategy and milestones for 2017. So they basically stated that we took a number of steps in 2016 to address challenges in the substance abuse testing sector, and we have begun to see the initial signs of success that will be instrumental to a return to top-line growth. Indeed, our fourth quarter was the best quarter for new sales in more than a year, and included several new clients, as well as a number of returning clients, said Seamus Lagan, Rennova's Chief Executive Officer. We have diversified our business model and have secured in-network contacts with a number of third-party payers. We have moved from a conception in substance abuse testing services in a single geographic location to providing a range of diagnostic services across the nation to an expanding and varied customer base, as well as recent successes in the substance abuse and pain management sector. We have initiated a relationship with a clinical research organization, and we expect to begin generating sales from them in the first half of 2017. We have secured a contract with a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business to be their exclusive provider of lab services, and are servicing initial customers under a new relationship with an accountable care organization. We also have extended our menu to now offer specialized pharmacogenomics testing for personalized medicine through Genomics. We expect that this continued expansion of our customer base and products, combined with increasing numbers of contracts with various payers, will enable us to grow our 2017 revenues to levels that more closely resemble years prior to 2016, Mr. Langen concluded. So they're basically, as previously announced, the company closed in on an offering of preferred stock on December 20th, 2016. The company currently has 84,011,068 shares of common stock outstanding. So they actually did a conference call that day too. I'm not sure if you can go back and read it. Let's see.
What day was that again?
January 5th.
Okay. Yeah, so man, it tried. I just don't get it. I wonder if there's shares going into the market, Joe.
Well, they said that they closed on December 20th. That's something like, maybe somebody could sit back and listen. It's, you got to figure it's a NASDAQ stock that's traded at, 0.08. You don't know what's their intention. I mean, you can go back, we can look back more into it if you'd like. Like,
Yeah.
do they plan on doing a split at all or whatnot? Let's see. There's
Well,
an 8K on the January 5th as well. Maybe that was probably what that was for.
No, like I said, man, we can spend hours doing this stuff for sure.
Yeah.
So, like I said, if you're
You know
following,
what I mean? It comes down to like, what's happening with the company. Do they plan on doing a reverse split? Because then if that's the case, then a lot of times people will just kind of hold off. But then if the company just plans on being, more aggressive of getting their company, back up to that threshold that they need to be to, remain on NASDAQ, then that's another thing that kind of excites people. Knowing that the possibility of it going from 0.08 to, over $1.
right?
So it's something to look at.
All right. Well, like I said, that's RNVA. If you got anything if you're watching this one, like I said, like I always say through all these, feel free, head over to investorshangout.com and let us know, let the other thousands of members over here know. I'm sure that somebody knows something else about it out there and would love to share it with us. So keep that in mind. That is for stock ticker symbol RNVA.